Hey guys, today we got an ARE MX series. It's a 07 to 13 Chevy truck with the 8-foot bed. Black in color. Oh, this is in decent shape. Has a little bit of a paint issue, finish issue. Maybe that would be buff out, some compound or something like that. Not really sure. But paint's not in bad shape other than that. It was parked in, it was pretty dirty when we got it. It looked like it may have been parked under a tree for a long time. And that is just what was left on the paint when we got done. Got some chips right there. Down through here looks good. You can see it. Like I said, you can actually, I mean, you can't feel it. It feels like paint. That's just dirt, or just, yeah. See if there's, yeah, it's just dirt. I thought they were scratches, but they're just dirt. Paint looks good down through here. No major damage. Down through here on the edge. Half side sliders on the side. Picture window in the front. Usually these are not too bad. Usually these are kind of chipped up on the front from being so tall, but looks pretty good through the top here on this one here. A little bit of paint damage right there, and you got some paint scratches right there, and a couple right there, a couple right there. Some off. Not too bad. You got a couple throughout that front edge there. A little bit of a scratch down through there. A small one back in there. A little bit of a stress crack right there. A couple chips right there. Looks like another little stress crack right there, but that's probably the worst of it. Picture window in the front. This side we've got a scratch right there. It's a pretty decent sized scratch. Another little scuff there above it. Got a couple scratches up here on the top edge there. And then right here on the top we've got two decent sized scratches that run across the top. More right there. A few more right there. There's nothing real major, from mostly just small scratches on this. A couple right there. Small chip in the paint there. Is that? Yeah, I'm not sure. Just some small scratches. Some chips there. Just basically just some chips and scratches through this area. Half side slider on this side as well. Single T-handle locking rear door. Chip there. A little scratch there. Yeah, a couple. That one's a chip or something. The other one's wiped off. And that's one also. Oops. There we go. Carpeted, or not carpeted. Screens have some minor scratches, tears in them, I should say. Snags mostly right there. There's a couple right there. And a little bit of a tear up there. A little bit right there. Bottom looks really good. A little bit of a hole on that top side of that. Right about in the middle. There it is. A couple There it is. A couple snags there in the screen. Can't seem to get it to focus. A couple spots in the screen there. Then down here we've got a tear and a couple snags right there. Serial number, well, specifically for a 2009 Chevy regular cab long bed, 41 black, so just standard black. There you go, we got an ARE MX series, fits the 2007 to 2013 Chevy truck with the 8-foot bed. Below is the link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up. That can all be done from that link there. There's also a link to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, lift kits, those are all available online as well, so you can just click that link, type in the search bar what you're looking for, and we'll get it sent out to you right away. If you're looking for something specific for your truck, a certain cap style, brand, color, bed size, height, what have you, we upload our used inventory to YouTube and our website as soon as inventory comes in, so you want to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on inventory as it gets here. As with all our truck apps, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. You need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.